Alright, welcome back to the channel. Today we are taking a look at the Catry Cat Tree with feathered toy. Now, I had gotten a kitten months and months ago, and so this is Raven. She is taking a nap and unbothered. I had gotten this cat tree with her in mind. Our other cat, she is very peculiar about things she enjoys spending her time on, but with Raven, she likes being around me a lot and loves looking out the window and loves scratching tall posts and playing with feathers. So this cat tree it fit all the boxes. Okay, so right now she's sleeping in the hammock. I really wasn't sure how she would react to the hammock. At first she used it to climb onto the perch on top, but she never sat or laid in it. But she likes it now. There is a feather toy here. She loves colorful feathers. She will lay here and play with it. That's actually what convinced her to start sleeping there. There are scratching posts on both sides, so she likes scratching the banister, and so this stopped it. So she'll scratch here instead, which if your cat enjoys that kind of thing, definitely good consideration. And then there's a perch up on top that she uses to look over outside the window. She'll sleep here too. And she is, her birthday is in July, so she's about 8 months, 9 months, and as you can see, she's a little large for it, but you know, she makes it work. Obviously depends on the size of your cat. The dimensions of this cat tree are 15.7 by 15.7 by 27.8 inches, and this is beige. There's another version of it that you can get that has it kind of like reversed, where it's facing a different orientation. I did not get that one. I got the version 2. So this is version 2. They offer a lot of different types of cat trees. I wanted her to be able to climb up and around, but to save money and time, I wanted to make sure she actually liked it. And as you can tell, she does. I have many pictures of her sitting with me while I'm working, because I telework, and she's just either laying or watching the trash trucks or any activity outside. The cat tree itself is very simple to put together. It took less than 15 minutes. All you have to do is, I believe they even give you the little screw kind of wrench thing that you use to screw a few pieces together, like the base to the bottom of the posts, but everything else you just screw onto it and it's all put together. Now I would say if your cat's a little bit heavier, I'm not quite sure how much she weighs, truthfully, but already it's a little wobbly, but that's just because you screw it together. No nails or anything go in here. So if you're looking for something for like a big chunker, you know, big boy, maybe find something a little sturdier. Don't want you to be disappointed. But you got a small cat that loves relaxing and playing, this is a very good way to entertain them. I'll probably add a few pictures I have of her just relaxing in it throughout the day and playing. But other than that, that's a look at the Catry Cat Tree. Check the description section below for more information. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching!